Hello everyone, and in this video I will show you how you can add Visa gift card to your Cash app. So first of all, you just need to connect your Visa debit or credit card to your Cash app. In order to do this, tap on profile icon on the top right and go for your linked bank under the favorites and look for the option of link debit card. You can do the same by going in add cash section and simply enter the amount and you will be taken to the same page. Now you just need to copy and paste all of your debit card or credit card details. Once you do so, you just need to tap on link card on the bottom of your screen. Now let's say you are facing some errors or issues in order to connect your Visa gift card. So what you need to do is to simply go for support and you just need to tap on chat icon on the bottom and you just need to tell the situation to Cash App support and they will help you out in the further process. So hope this help. This is how you can add Visa gift card to Cash App.